Hey everyone, Ryan from Foxtecc here. Today, I'm going to show you how to get AirDrop working smoothly between your iPhone and your Mac. If you've ever had trouble transferring files between these two devices, this guide will help you out. Let's get right into it. First, to make sure AirDrop works properly, both your iPhone and Mac need to have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled. This is essential because AirDrop relies on these connections to transfer files. So, double-check that both are turned on for each device. Next, you'll want to set AirDrop to either Everyone or Contacts Only on both your iPhone and your Mac. To do this on your iPhone, open Control Center by swiping down from the top right of the screen, then press and hold the Network Settings card. Tap on AirDrop and select either Everyone or Contacts Only, depending on your preference. On your Mac, open Finder, click on AirDrop in the sidebar, and make sure the setting at the bottom of the window matches what you've selected on your iPhone. Once you've got that set up, open the file or photo you want to share on your iPhone. Tap the Share icon, which looks like a square with an arrow pointing up, and then select AirDrop from the options that appear. You should see your Mac listed as one of the available devices. Tap on it to start the transfer. When you do this, your Mac will prompt you to accept the file transfer. Just click Accept, and the file will be saved to your Mac. If for some reason the transfer fails, there are a couple of things you can try. Make sure that both your iPhone and Mac are running the latest software updates, as compatibility issues can sometimes cause problems. If that doesn't solve it, restarting both devices often clears up any lingering connection issues. And that's it. With these steps, you should be able to get AirDrop working seamlessly between your iPhone and Mac. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tech tips. See you guys later!